How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Yes. Now come to the topic. Unit 6, Art and Culture, which was started before. A reading, B reading we have completed, and remaining part C reading, it is going to be explained now, and it has been started. Half of the lesson we have completed, and remaining part is going to be explained. Yes, here Master with a Mission. It is a biography of Vempati Chinnasatyam. Already we have seen first part of Vempati Chinnasatyam, and remaining part is going to be explained now. Just watch it.
Yes, welcome back to the English class, children. Yes, already we have started 6th unit. In 6th unit, C reading is going on. Yes, here remaining part is going to be explained now. And now let us revise the lesson once. And here he is Dr. Vempati Chinnasatyam. He came out from his house. Why? To elevate the dance form. Which dance form? Kuchipudi dance form. Isn't it? He had faced many hardships, and some of them he was humiliated by a teacher in his village. Did you remember, children? What did the teacher say? Don't attempt to learn Kuchipudi again. You are unfit for it. Okay? He was humiliated in front of his friends. At the time, some members ridiculed him. Ridiculed means insulted him and making fun on him. And some members sympathized. Sympathized means showing sympathy on him. Isn't it, children? But he had a strong desire. What is the strong desire? To elevate the dance form Kuchipudi. That is his strong desire. At that time, he learned some difficulty aspects of Kuchipudi. Who made him to learn? That is Tadepalli Pyaraya Sastri and Vedantam Lakshmi Narayana Sastri, and they taught him difficult aspects, and these aspects inspired him a lot. Did you remember, children? One more hardship we can find here. Sometimes he sold his meal tickets to watch dance programs. What is the dance program here? That is Kuchipudi dance program. Okay, he sold the ticket. Finally, he decided to liberate the Kuchipudi dance from clutches of insignificance and oblivion. Okay, he wanted to liberate the dance form. Okay, let us see the remaining part of the lesson. Yes, with encouragement for his cousin Vempati Chinnasatyam tried his luck in Telugu film world. Can the Telugu film lovers forget the dance sequences in Nartanasala, Devadas and Pandava Vanavasam? Even now, the film admirers become nostalgic when they recollect those sequences. Thus, Dr. Vempati has carved a niche in Telugu film as well as a dance director. See, children, with the encouragement for his cousin, what is the cousin's name? Vempati Pedasatyam. Yes, he was working in film industry. At that time, he encouraged, who is that? Vempati Pedasatyam encouraged Vempati Chinnasatyam. Tried his luck in Telugu film world. Is it clear, children? Yes. And here, he tried, who is that? Vempati Chinnasatyam tried his luck in Telugu film world. He choreographed many dances. What are those? Here, see, Nartanasala, Devadasu and Pandava Vanavasam. And here he choreographed, he directed these dances. Okay, and can anyone forget these dances? No. And here he performed, here he choreographed very well in these movies. Even now, the film admirers become nostalgic. Here, nostalgic means love very much. They love these films very much. When they recollect those sequences means order. Okay, and here still, if they remember these movies, immediately they can understand the dance forms. Okay, and here, who choreographed? Vempati Chinnasatyam choreographed these dances. The film lovers, they cannot forget these films, these dances, they cannot forget it. Okay. This Dr. Vempati has carved a niche in Telugu film as well as dance director. Here, what is the meaning of carved niche? Here, carved niche, it is a phrase. Okay, can you say the meaning of carved niche? Here, carved niche, which means he built reputation. He built reputation. Okay, and he built reputation in Telugu film as well as a dance director. Okay, and he composed, what is that, dances. Is it clear, children? Yes, Dr. Vempati was not, yes, let me finish it. Have I completed? Yes, this one completed. Now in the next paragraph, Dr. Vempati was not satisfied with his success in tinsel world. Yes, here already I told you he entered into the film field, but he did not satisfy. Tinsel means colorful or film. Okay, colorful world. What is a colorful world? That is the industry, film industry. Of course, though he entered into the film industry, he did not satisfy. Then what did he do here? See, his desire to popularize Kuchipudi grew stronger. What is his desire? He want to give the importance for Kuchipudi dance. That is only his ambition. So that's why he did not have any interest to give any choreography in these dances. Is it clear, children? He wanted to popularize Kuchipudi dance. Is it clear, children? That's why he established Kuchipudi Art Academy for his purpose in 1963 in Madras. Okay, that's why he started which one? Kuchipudi Art Academy. Why? To elevate the Kuchipudi dance. When? In 1963. Where? In Madras. Yes. As many as 180 solo items and 15 dance dramas were composed and choreographed by Dr. Vempati. See, children, here 180 solo items and 15 dance dramas were performed and choreographed by who? By Vempati. Those have been performed all over the world. Not only in India, all over the world, these programs were performed by Vempati Chinnasatyam. He composed his first dance drama. What is the dance drama here? Sri Krishna Parichatam, followed by Ksheerasagara Madanam. Both were received well by the audience all around the world and brought laurels to Vempati. And here he performed so many dramas, but Sri Krishna Parichatam and Ksheerasagara Madanam, and these were received laurels. Laurels means famous. For these programs he became too much famous. Who is that? Dr. Vempati. To give perfect understanding for this Ksheerasagara Madanam, I would like to show a video. Just watch it. See, children, this is called Ksheerasagara Madanam. Let me say the meaning of Ksheerasagara Madanam. Kshera means milk, Sagara means ocean, Madanam means whisk. మీన్స్ అంటే ఇక్కడ దీని అర్థం ఏంటి అంటే ఈ లోపల ఏదైతే ఉందో ఆ లోపల ఏముంటుంది అంటే అమృతం ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ అమృతం కోసం ఇటు రాక్షసులు ఇటు దేవతలు ఇద్దరూ కలిసి అమృతం బయటికి రావడం కోసం వాళ్ళు ఫైట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, వాళ్ళు దాన్ని చిలుకుతూ ఉంటారు. దట్ ఈస్ హియర్ క్షీరసాగర మదనం. అంటే పాల సముద్రంలో ఒక అమృతం దాగి ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ అమృతం బయటికి రావాలంటే దే హ్యావ్ టు ట్రై. See how they are trying here. Yes, finally they got it. That Amrutam. Is it clear, children? This is called Ksheerasagara Madanam. Did you watch the video, children? I hope you understood what is Ksheerasagara Madanam. Yes, next paragraph. Some of the masterpieces like Padmavati Srinivasa Kalyanam, composed by Dr. Vempati, are the symbols of depth of his knowledge and mastery over Kuchipudi. Yes, in these masterpieces, which means well-known programs. Okay, some of the well-known like Padmavati Srinivasa Kalyanam, this was composed by Dr. Vempati. These are the symbols. These Padmavati Srinivasa Kalyanam is the depth of his knowledge and mastery over Kuchipudi. And here in this film, in this program, he performed Kuchipudi dance. Okay, in that dance we can understand the depth of his knowledge. He had an ability to communicate each nuance of the dance to connoisseurs and layperson equally well. Yes, here nuance means very subtle difference. Subtle difference means very small difference. He had an ability. What is the ability? To communicate each nuance. He can understand each mistake, okay, of the dance to connoisseurs. Connoisseurs means judge of an art. Okay, he can lead as a judge. Okay, he can say if there is any mistake, easily can identify as a judge. And lay persons equally well. And as a normal person, lay person means it's a common person, and he can say what is the mistake here, how to do the performance, easily he can say. He had that ability. This person means who is that? Vempati Chunnasatyam. He had that ability to see the subtle differences. Subtle means very small differences. Yes. Dr. Vempati distinguished disciples include Shantarao, Yamini Krishnamurti, Vaijayanti Malabali, Hema Malini, Manju Bhargavi, Shobha Naidu, Balakondalarao, and here Balakondalarao and the Union Minister Daggupati Purandareshwari, etc. Every one of these disciples take pride in being a disciple of Dr. Vempati, and they feel very proud. Who is this? These persons, these members, they felt too much proud to have such a great master. And here disciples means, here what is the meaning of disciples means? Here students. Is it clear, children? Here, and next, what is the meaning of distinguished? Distinguished means famous or very successful person. Okay, and here these persons, these many members, they felt happy to have such a great dance master. Is it clear? I will show you these pictures, these images, these members images. I will show you, just watch it. See children, I am going to show his disciples, his students. See here, can you say who is she? She is Shantarao. And next one, she is Yamini Krishnamurti. Next, Vaijayanti Malabali, Hema Malini, Manju Bhargavi. Okay, next, she is Shobha Naidu. Next, she is Balakondalarao. And everybody we know her. And who is she? She is none other than Union Minister Daggupati Purandareshwari. These many members are his disciples. Do you understand, children? And they are feeling pride to have such a great master.
Yes, did you watch the video, children? Yes. I hope you understood the lesson, and remaining part will be explained in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.